Ready to discover the kitchen of your dreams? In today's video, we're diving into the top kitchen trends for 2025 that will take your space from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're remodeling or just looking for inspiration, these ideas are perfect for your next kitchen upgrade. The timeless charm of mid-century modern is making a big splash in 2025. Clean lines, warm wood tones, and bold accents are perfect for creating a sleek, functional, and stylish kitchen. Energy-efficient appliances are here to stay. Expect smart tech, water-saving features, and even appliances made from recycled materials to elevate your kitchen in both style and function. Sustainability continues to dominate kitchen trends with eco-friendly materials like bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled glass. These materials make your kitchen not only stylish, but also kinder to the planet. 2025 is all about smart kitchens with Wi-Fi connected ovens and voice-activated assistants. These gadgets simplify meal prep and make your kitchen a high-tech hub. Say goodbye to grout lines. Large format tiles are a huge trend for 2025, giving kitchens a polished, seamless look that's easy to clean and maintain. Curious about which kitchen trend fits your personal style? Take our freestyle quiz in the link below and find out. Hide everything with a concealed kitchen. Built-in appliances and flush cabinetry create a clean, minimalist look that blends perfectly into open-concept living spaces. Butler pantries and sculleries are making a big return, offering extra storage and prep space to keep your main kitchen clutter-free and functional. In 2025, kitchen islands are multifunctional hubs with built-in sinks, cooktops, and storage, perfect for everything from meal prep to casual dining. Maximize natural light with large windows, skylights, and glass doors. Bringing the outdoors in creates a bright, inviting kitchen that boosts your mood. Personalized kitchens are all the rage, with custom cabinetry and design elements that reflect your unique style and needs. We're just getting started with these incredible 2025 kitchen trends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss more exciting design tips and inspiration for your next project. Earthy neutrals are taking over kitchens in 2025, offering a calming and natural vibe. Shades like terracotta, sage, and taupe bring warmth while keeping things versatile. For a dash of drama, bold jewel tones like emerald, sapphire, and ruby are making a statement. These rich colors add elegance and sophistication, perfect for those who love a striking look. Soft pastels are back, bringing a serene and airy feel to your kitchen. Think mint green, blush pink, and lavender, creating a welcoming and fresh space. Black accents add a modern and sophisticated touch to your kitchen. Whether it's black cabinets, hardware, or light fixtures, these accents deliver sleek, bold style. Textures are making waves in 2025 kitchen design, from rustic shiplap to industrial brick walls. Textured finishes add depth and personality, giving your space a unique charm. Thanks for watching. Want more design ideas for 2025? Head over to our Dining Room Trends video next. You're going to love the fresh styles we've got lined up. See you in the next one.